Oh yeah, we're having fun now. Oh yeah. Fun, fun. Yeah. Yeah. Just doing the box. And then this lower part of the door over here, it had a sign on it. It's funny, I used to work at this place where this truck came from years ago. It's where I actually first started painting these big trucks and shit. It was at Maggio's. That's where this thing came from. Somebody bought it off of Maggio's towing. But anyway, trying to get her done. Peace. It's been epoxy primed. It's in sealer now. I'm gonna spray the yellow on next. Painted the gate the other day. I gotta get this open so I can spray this door too. I'll spray that. Still gotta take care of that stuff in there yet. Inside the door jams. No, we didn't bother filling in none of the spots where it was corroded and stuff because I don't know exactly why, but boss man said don't worry about it, so I didn't worry about it. I don't think the guy wanted to spend extra money or something, I don't know. But anyway, that's what I've been up to. Peace. Hopefully everybody has a good weekend, being that it's Friday. What is it? April the 7th. Anyway, I'll grab me some food. Peace.